In this video, you will learn to start virtual class with the help of BigBlueButton. BigBlueButton is available for Moodle. So first of all, you go to the Moodle site where your course is available and locate a place where you want to create the link for meeting. For example, I am here and I would like to name it as a virtual class or section in the course. Now, after making a virtual class section, within this an activity virtual meeting will be created, and for this click on add activity, and over here you can find the list of activities. Out of this, select one. This is BigBlueButton. Select this and click on add. So after that, you have to name the virtual class name. You can give an appropriate name. So this is the name for virtual class. When students click on this, then they will be redirected to the meeting session. Now, if you want this meeting to be notified to all students, then you have to click on send notification and then show more. So in this place, you can give the instruction to students. Now, you can also create the schedule for the meeting, enable. So this is how you can create a virtual class link on the page, but don't forget to click on send notification so that all the students will get notification about the meeting and its schedule. Now save and display. This kind of information you will get if the session is open. So the conference room is ready and you can join the session now. So all the students will click this to join, and teacher, as a teacher, they also can join clicking the same link. Okay, now we are redirected to the meeting session. In the BigBlueButton, it may take a bit time. So first of all, how would you like to join the audio? Then it should be microphone first, because we have to talk as well. And if someone is joining to be a listener, then he or she can click on this. So we, as a teacher, especially if teachers are joining, then they can join with a microphone, and if students are joining, they can join with listen only. So we also need to allow this microphone, and it's trying to test the echo test and some sound. Now after this, the conference or the meeting room is ready for us, and this is the first slide. Then we can change the slide to another one, and this slide is visible to all audience, and where one can drag or write. And then to share this board, we call it's a whiteboard. In this whiteboard we have a control buttons. For example, if we click on here this, then there is a text, and if someone wants to write something, so this is something written here on the board. The same way, if someone wants to draw a triangle or something, a teacher wants to make other picture, yeah, this way students or teachers can participate in writing or drawing on the whiteboard. But to make it writable to all students, you need to make sure you have turned on this one. Multi-user whiteboard is on now, so all the participants can join or can write on this slide. Otherwise, only teacher or the person who is hosting the meeting can write. This is how it works. Now there are some other options, so I would like to introduce them. If you want to clear, then you can simply click on this clear, so everything goes away. If you want to redo, undo, then you can use this button. The same way, if you want to change the color of the text or drawing, then you can use a comfortable color. And this thickness of the writing, for example, if you want to take a big, then the big lines will be drawn. For example, this one. Okay, So this way, this is how these tools can be used. On top of this, how to share a slide. So to share a slide presentation, you go to action and then upload a presentation. So you click on this and then choose a PowerPoint slide. Okay, so now this PowerPoint is coming here. Now click on upload. Now yes, PowerPoint is ready now. It is nicely uploaded on the board. Now we can start our presentation one by one. Next slide, the next slide. So this is how we can make a presentation. And while making a presentation, if you want to highlight or draw something here or write a text, now you can do this way. Yes, so this is how writing and illustration can be made while making a presentation. But this presentation is not downloadable. To make this presentation downloadable, you have to go back, upload a presentation this place, and then click on this sign. Download is crossed. Now click on this and then confirm. So when you do that, then this ongoing presentation becomes downloadable. So this is the button to download the original presentation. So if students click this, then they can download ongoing presentation. This is about downloading. So start recording button is here. If you want to record the meeting, then you can click on this, and there are other options here like make a full screen, or some settings are there, keyboard shortcuts are there, if you can use keyboard shortcuts. And then the same way you may end the meeting and log out. And also you can make a full screen this way, and then again you can come back to this, and then you can, if you want like fit width or something, if you want to zoom in and zoom out, so these are also available. The same way you can also go to a specific slide, for example slide number 11. Yes, this is how you can jump to the slides from this option. Now the more is here about uploading external video. If you want to share some kind of videos, external videos, then you can click on this button. And while making a presentation and after completing a certain slide, if you want to take a poll from the students, then you can start a poll from here. So there are the options of polls. Especially select an option below to start your poll is there, and mainly you select the custom poll and define the things. For example, the session is interesting, a session is boring, for example. Now users will get this option, and you can start the custom poll, and all users will participate in the poll, and then you can also publish the result of the poll. For example, this is a poll started, and then if you if the users respond, then the response will be displayed over here, and its overall score percentage will be displayed here, and then you can publish it. Once you publish, then it goes to the slide. This would be overall result of the poll. So this is how poll can be used. Now let's explore some more facilities on this. We can go to the chat, and then we can write here hi, hello to everyone, and this is a common place. And then if you want to chat with the person, then you have to click the person. For example, if there are someone other, then select that particular person, and then you will get option to chat or start a private chat. So you can start a private chat as well, not the public one. The same way, there are some other options. For example, you can clear all status icons, and then or can change the status, and mute all users, and mute all users except the presenter, and save usernames and lock viewers. These all are available. And now if you want to break out the rooms. Means if you want to divide students to discuss in a group, then you need to go to create a breakout rooms. While creating breakout rooms, you need to care that how many rooms you would like to create, and then so how long would you like to break out the session. Means like 10-minute group discussion. Then there will be four groups, and then 10 minutes, and if there are participants here, only I am the participant as an illustrator. So whenever you have a real meeting, that time all the participants will be listed over here, and then room 1, room 2, room 3, room 4, the participants will be divided into the different rooms, and then you can click on this randomly assign. If you click on this, then system will randomly distribute users to the rooms. So this is how you can create a room. Now if you want to share the notes, then you can also share this writing here. That note can be shared later on in plain text or HTML. If you would like to use video, then start share webcam, then again allow video, and webcam will be started. This is where you are visible, and this is what you are presenting, and there are the tools for illustration, and this is a video. You want to turn it off. This is also microphone, you can mute it, and you can use, this is what the caption, and there is the option for poll, upload presentation and share external video, and there are options for breakout session creation, and then controlling users, and here is a public chat, and there will be private chat. If you click on the participant and then see the option, you will get option for a private chat, and you also can share whole your screen clicking on this button. If you would like to share whole screen of the computer, then you can. At the moment, this part and this slide and this workspace is visible to users. If you want to share whole screen, whatever screen activity ongoing, then you can click this one option. And if you want to allow students to download the ongoing presentation, so you have to go back to this, the upload presentation, and cross the and confirm. Then now option is disabled. So thank you for watching. This is how you can use BigBlueButton integrated with Moodle learning management system. If you have any question, you are welcome. Please mention in the comment box. This is very useful open source conferencing tool available and then prepared for the purpose of teaching and learning virtually.